Okay, everybody, I'm back. More cast iron cooking. What are we cooking today? Well, I'll tell you. Mashed potatoes, 4 cheese. I meant to got plain mashed potatoes. I wasn't paying attention. I was in a hurry, and it's got 4 cheese in it, which I like, but maybe it'll be extra flavor. So I'm gonna make these potatoes in this cast iron pot. Boiling, it's ready for the potatoes. I'm going to heat this roast beef up. Just pour over them. Put it in 2 of these plates. One to eat tonight, one to take tomorrow for lunch. So let's get started. Supposed to be easy opening. It's a redneck way right there. That's a redneck way. I'm not sure if I need both bags of potatoes. It looks like it's more cheese than it is potatoes. I'm going to put the other bag in. I'm going to turn it down. It's a little bit hot. Actually, I'm going to turn it off. Well, I turned it down pretty low. That was a mistake. Not enough water. Called for 2 cups, 1 bag. I put in approximately 2 cups. Added that second bag. I believe they'll be all right. Have to keep stirring. Get this heat turned off. It's turned off. Got to stir it pretty quick though. Man, it's gonna be some thick potatoes. Let me tell you, I can't get them mixed up. Probably gotta use my fork I've got over there. Get it off the heat. Man, that's more than 2 servings. I should have. Well, a leaf just fell in it. That's more, that's, I think it's 3 servings per bag. 4 servings, that's 8 servings. First time making a video like this, and I made a mistake. Okay, so let's get the roast beef started. Just going to heat it up in my iron skillet. Lodge brand. First time buying this roast beef, and I thought it would have brown gravy that I like. Phew, that pot's hot. I'm going to heat this up a little bit. There's a little bit of corn oil or canola oil in that skillet. Not going to eat this right now. I'm going to eat it before I go to bed. I've already had lunch. 2 more hours, 3 more hours before I go to bed. I'll eat it. Probably should have put the corned beef over the taters cold and heat it up in the microwave when I got ready to eat it. I'll heat it, mix it up. I'm outside on a tailgate. I ain't got no black pepper out here. I'd sure use it right now. But I got plenty of mashed potatoes, looks like. Mashed potatoes come out thick. Thick. Again, roast beef with gravy. First time eating that. Roast beef, I'm used to it being sliced in deli slices. This is chunks. So I'm trying to make 2 servings here. Roast beef is okay for 2 servings. Actually got too many potatoes. I'll see if my wife wants to eat them when she gets home. So I'm out here on my tailgate, got my firewood in there. Next time I go camping, I'll be ready. I'm gonna turn this off. So the cook is done. Got my firewood, cooler up there, some tripods to hang lanterns on, hang a pot over the fire. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my plates. Man, that's a lot of potatoes. I can't eat all that. There's one plate. Next plate. Man, I gotta do something to these potatoes. Somebody's gotta eat them. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. One pack would have been plenty. Afraid that's gonna be a waste. Okay. So what we gotta do here is clean off this spoon. Which I don't really have to. Use that to put the roast beef on the potatoes. Put this mid on. That skillet's hot. That's a Lodge brand skillet. Try to get about half of it in there. Body camera's clamped to my t-shirt. It's flopping around a little bit. Hoping I'm getting it all in the video. Trying to be mindful of where the camera's pointing. Smells good. Sure does. Sure does. Smells real good. Cast iron cooking. Going to share it in the Facebook group that I created called Camping, Camp Cooking, Fishing. Going to share it in the group Appalachian Americans. My wife's coming home now. See what she thinks about this. Gotta do something to these potatoes. Okay, got my plates filled up. I'm gonna close them off. Put them in the refrigerator. One tonight. I'm gonna holler and ask her if she wants some potatoes. You want some mashed potatoes? Got butter in them. 3 cheese. So anyway, there we go. I'm gonna cut the camera off so my wife can come up here. I'll be back.